everyone. Today I am so excited because we're going to be making banana bread. This recipe is so delicious. I make it all the time. As usual, a recipe is in the description box below, so go there if you're interested in making it. Alright, let's get started. So first, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now let's just grease the pan. In this bowl, we're going to mash some bananas. Oh, alright, it's all done. Now let's go into our wet ingredients. So in a large bowl, let's add 2 eggs and sugar. Now let's whisk it until it's nice and pale yellow. Now let's add in oil, vanilla, our mashed bananas, and our secret ingredient, some non-fat Greek yogurt. Time to stir. Now let's sift in flour, salt, baking soda, cinnamon. Now let's sift it in. Feel free to add whatever you want. Add chocolate chips, walnuts, any nuts, whatever you want. I would like to give a shout out to Abby for giving me this cookbook because it has the banana bread recipe in it. Let's kind of like release it from the sides. Alright, time to flip it over. I'm just gonna go for it. All we have to do is taste test.
Can I have 4 more slices?